This time I'm going to show you how to install SIM cards. Gmodism. If you have 2 SIM cards or not, the phone should really say it when you kind of buy it, so check for that. Most phones do not have the capability of having dual SIM cards. So, what do we need? Well, we need a paperclip in case you don't have this little rod thing that you extract the tray with that you got with your phone. Well, inside of here you can see there is a tiny little hole here. This little hole is where we put the extractor. So take a paperclip and bend it out a little bit and just insert it in this little hole, and when you feel it's inserted, you carefully but firmly press like that. Now you can remove it, and here you can see the tray can now be extracted. So this little tray is a little bit special because it can hold 1, 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card. A lot of dual SIM phones can only take 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. So on this little tray here I put my little SD card, and on this little tray here I also put the SIM card. Make sure you line them up properly so they fit. All connections should be below, like that. Now you just take your phone and the tray and make sure that those little cards line up nicely inside of there and just click. Now you'll come to the part where you have to write in the code for the SIM card. And if you make it wrong several times, the SIM card will lock, so write in the right code. And for the other one, and there you go. Now go into Settings application and search for SIM. And here we go, SIM cards and mobile networks. And here you can set up which SIM card will be default for calling and which SIM card will be default for using internet. You can also set it up to ask every time which card to use when making a new call. If this video helped you, please leave a like and do subscribe for future content. I'll see you next time. This is your host Gmodism, signing out.